Stop scrolling. You see this?
Let's make it happen. I expect results by morning. This is our moment.
And this? Most people think making a movie takes years of filming, thousands of dollars in gear, and a massive crew. I'm here to tell you that's a thing of the past. I made this entire film for price free in just time frame, using nothing but my computer and the power of AI. We're talking full-scale cinematography, consistent characters, and high-fidelity sound, all from a prompt. AI is moving so fast it's hard to keep up, and the gap between amateur and pro is disappearing. Whether you're a storyteller, a creator, or just someone with a wild idea, the tools to build a digital empire are finally here. Today, I'm breaking down the secret sauce, my exact workflow for generating, editing, and finishing a full-length AI film. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn how to master these tools before everyone else, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I'm dropping deep dives into AI filmmaking every week. Let's jump into the first step of the process. To follow along, I've prepared a comprehensive prompt library, which you can find over on my Discord channel. Let's get started. Our first stop is ChatGPT. We aren't just asking for a story, we're engineering a vision. You'll start by pasting the initial prompt, which I've fine-tuned to act as a professional Disney story writer. Once ChatGPT initializes, it will generate a narrative structure that feels authentic to the Disney magic. While that processes, go back to the prompt section to grab our second layer, the scene and visualization prompt. When you feed this back into ChatGPT, it will break down the narrative into specific, visually descriptive scenes. This is crucial for ensuring our AI knows exactly what each frame should look like, from the lighting to the character's expression. To make our workflow seamless, we need to leverage the right tools. Head over to the Chrome extension web store. And search for the Auto Whisk extension. Go ahead and add that to your browser. It's a game changer for the workflow I'm showing you today. Next, we're heading into the Wix AI lab. This platform offers a futuristic, high-fidelity graphic interface. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Browse gallery, and enter the extension. This is your creative workspace. Make sure your language is set to English and ensure you're using Vision version 7.6 for the best results. Now, let's bring our protagonist to life. Return to ChatGPT and copy the character and image design prompt. Paste this into the Wix AI interface to define your character. For today's example, we're crafting a charming, classic Disney boy and his grandma character. Pro tip, always select the 16:9 landscape aspect ratio to give your project that cinematic, widescreen movie feel. Paste your scene description from ChatGPT. Once your character is generated, download the image. We aren't done with Wix AI yet. We're going to use the reference image tool. Upload your character as the subject. And click Upload and Analyze. This merges your specific character with the story elements, ensuring consistency across every frame. It's what makes the result look like a real movie rather than just a series of random images. With our visuals ready, it's time to add movement. Go back to ChatGPT one last time to generate the camera direction prompts. This tells the AI how the camera should move, zooming, panning, or tracking to create a sense of life. turn these images into video, we're using Grok AI. Open the Imagine or Edit section and upload your static character. By pasting the scene-specific motion prompts we just generated, Grok AI will transform your motionless image into a fluid, animated sequence. Efficiency hack. If you're working on a long story, open multiple Grok AI tabs. You can process several scenes simultaneously, which saves you an incredible amount of time during the rendering phase. A Disney story is nothing without a soul. And that comes from the voice. We're heading to Google AI Studio to generate our narration. Select the 2.5 Pro Preview model for the highest vocal quality. Copy your script from ChatGPT. And paste it into the input box. Choose the single speaker option and select a voice profile that matches the tone of your story. Hit start, let the AI work its magic, and download your high-quality audio file. Now, we bring all the ingredients into the kitchen, CapCut. Import. Bring in your audio narration first to set the timing. Visuals. Layer in your Grok AI video sequences above the audio. Synchronization. This is where the artistry happens. Align each clip with the narrator's voice. Fine-tuning. If the script feels a bit long, don't worry. You can adjust the playback speed of your clips or the audio to ensure they sync perfectly. Don't forget to balance your audio levels so the narration is crisp and clear. Conclusion. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've gone from a blank page to a fully realized Disney-style animation. It's incredible how these tools, ChatGPT, Whisk, Grok, and Google AI, can work together to make professional-grade content accessible to everyone. I'd love to hear what you think about this workflow. Which part was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you want to use the exact prompts I used today, head over to my Discord channel. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more high-level AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next class.